What if I told you that the world's most powerful nations are fighting a silent war over a group of metals that most people have never even heard of? They're in your smartphone, your electric car, your fighter jets, and even your headphones. But these metals don't just run technology. They run the global economy. Today we uncover the chemistry, the geopolitics, and the financial battleground behind the world's most secretive resource, rare earth elements. Rare earth elements, 17 metals hidden at the very bottom of the periodic table. Lanthanum, neodymium. Europium, dysprosium, strange names, powerful chemistry. And without them, modern technology collapses. Despite the name, they're not actually rare. The real problem? They're chemically similar, extremely hard to separate and controlled almost entirely by one country. This is where chemistry meets global finance. All rare earths have one thing in common. They have a partially filled 4f electron shell. This tiny detail gives them superpowers. 1. Exceptional magnetism, neodymium plus iron, plus boron, NdFeB permanent magnets, the strongest on Earth. Used in EV motors, wind turbines, drones, hard drives, military radar too. Unique light emission, europium and terbium, produce brilliant red and green light. These elements made modern screens possible. TVs, LEDs, smartphone displays. 3. Extreme heat resistance. Dysprosium stabilizes magnets at high temperatures, essential for jet engines, missile guidance, spacecraft navigation. Why this chemistry matters financially. When a metal has no substitute, it becomes priceless, especially in warfare and technology. Rare earth elements occur together in ore deposits. Their atomic structures are nearly identical, making separation incredibly difficult. The chemistry problem. To separate them, miners use acid baths, solvent extraction, ion exchange resins, hundreds of purification cycles. This creates toxic waste, radioactive byproducts, high production cost. Most countries shut down their rare earth processing due to environmental rules. Only one country didn't. By the early 1990s, China realized something. Whoever controls rare earths controls the future. China offered cheap labor, minimal environmental restrictions, state-backed investment, rapid refining capacity. Today, China controls 60% of global mining, 87% of refining and separation, 92% of magnet production. This gives China leverage over the US military, European tech manufacturing, global EV production, renewable energy industries. A real example, in 2010, China restricted rare earth exports to Japan during a political dispute. Prices skyrocketed 700% overnight. This was not just chemistry. This was geopolitical power. A single F-35 fighter jet uses 920 lbs of rare earths. From radars to missile systems, everything relies on lanthanide magnets. Without rare earths, jet engines lose heat resistance, lasers weaken navigation, fails guidance systems collapse. The US, Europe, and India are scrambling for alternative supply chains. But chemistry doesn't change overnight. Rare earth markets are volatile, but extremely profitable. 3 major investment trends. 1. EV boom, neodymium and dysprosium boom. Every electric motor needs NdFeB magnets. Demand expected to double by 2030. 2. Defense spending. Heavy rare earths. Surge elements like terbium and dysprosium have no alternatives. Nations stockpile them like oil. Western mining revival countries investing billions. USA, Mountain Pass Mine. Australia, Linus Corp. Canada, and EU refining plants. Investors see rare earths as the oil of the 21st century. Scientists are searching for cleaner extraction methods, recyclable magnet chemistry, alternative materials for high-performance motors. But the truth, rare earths aren't going away. If anything, demand is exploding. Countries will fight quietly, through trade, supply chains, and corporate acquisitions, to control these invisible metals. The next time you unlock your phone or hear your car's engine hum, remember, it's powered by a metal war you'll never see, driven by chemistry most people never learn, and controlled by nations whose decisions shape the future of technology. If you want to explore more secrets hidden inside science, economics, and global power, hit subscribe and join us on the next deep dive.